This is kind of strange. In New York, I had a Florida license plate, and in Florida, I have a license plate from New York. Anyway, this is my wonderful car I got for the next week, and this is where I live. This is a dinosaur cafe. Very interesting. Moves. The new Toy Story park in Disney Hollywood Studios. Must be super crowded there. It's like a dinosaur cafe, but like a rainforest. Welcome to Miami Beach. It's wonderful weather today. It's said it's always sunny, but it's not. Last week was always raining. My Airbnb house said. And yeah, the beach is really white. It's really nice here. It's a wonderful day. But parking is super expensive, $4 an hour. And I'm not going to swim, so I thought I'd just come here to take a quick look. And then just go back to the car and see something else. Oh, it's a big cruise ship just approaching the harbor here. You can see it from the highway. You see it's actually moving. Wow. So close. Yeah. Really beautiful here in Miami. Unfortunately, I don't have much time to spend here. Skydiving just on the street side. That's cool. Everything is possible in Miami. So today I'm driving to Key West and it's a wonderful day. I got up early at 6 a.m. and I enjoy the scenery here. It's really a vacational vibes you have, but it's also tiring, right? It's about 4 hours from Miami to Key West, and the US streets, you can't go very fast. I still don't understand how the traffic works because everybody's going faster than the limit says. So you sometimes speed, but now it's like only one lane, so you can really catch up. If there's one slow truck like in front of me, you're gonna stick to the limit. So yeah, this is how the US works. Also, in the radio, I'm listening to some radio channels. They're talking so fast in the end of each ad. It's kind of weird, you know, like with the clause stuff like, oh, you have restrictions, blah blah blah. It's kind of funny because I never heard this kind of stuff in any other country. This is like very unique for the US. Also about the toll roads. Luckily here is no toll road, but yesterday I ran into the toll road in Miami, and I am not allowed to go through any toll, the rental car company said, because they either want to rent me this device, which costs $20 a day, it's too expensive, or they're gonna charge me $25 in addition to every toll, even if the toll is only 50 cents or $1. So I need to avoid tolls at all costs. And yesterday there was no sign, I turned left and there was a toll road and there was no way to back out. So it was totally weird. I had to go to the sideline, figure out how to deal with it and then quickly drive backwards. I had to be careful because there was also like a red traffic camera light. It was a very crazy situation, but after a few minutes I found like a little bit less cars and I could back out the situation. But this also really sucks. There should be signs when there is a toll road. Usually there are, but at this particular road there wasn't. Or I didn't see it, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, I backed out, so hopefully no toll fines and also no other traffic fines here. So yeah, enjoy Key West. So this is Key West. Gonna figuring out what to see here. But I already see some tourists, so we are not wrong, I guess. There's a lighthouse, and I think we're going close to downtown. Yeah, here we are, big cruise ship. This is downtown. Now we have to find parking somewhere. Welcome to the most southern point of the US. This is a very famous tourist attraction, as you can tell by the people. Lots of people are coming here. But in fact, we do have some problem with the parking. It's like $4 an hour. And you know I'm stingy, so it's not good for cheap Charlies to go visit the US. Looks like a storm coming up. Here the weather is still nice. So this is the Key West Marine Park. And I've heard it's great for snorkeling. But maybe not here. Somewhere else. Oh, there are the birds. Oh cool, they're flying in line. Wow, I really love those planes. They're flying so fast, it's kind of fun to watch them. What is that? Looks like a Zeppelin. Or UFO. It's a cool bridge. And it's the famous 7-mile long bridge. The US flag and McDonald's. I think this goes very well together, and this like represents American culture. So, this is my wonderful apartment here. There's a tiger, a doll, Paris, a microwave, and a messy bed. Alright. A very big TV, which I like. It has Netflix, and everything. So now my story. I was talking about the toll problem here in Florida, and yesterday on the way back from Key West, I got troubled. You know? So the problem was I used GPS like always, but my mobile internet expired, and they do not avoid toll roads, which I'm aware of. But on the way there, I didn't pass any toll roads, so I thought it's fine. But of course, on the way there, I navigated when I was home. I had internet. I'm just stupid. So I navigated back. I knew there could be toll roads, so of course I was paying attention. But this one I just didn't see. I didn't see the sign. There was no sign. There's a toll road. I didn't see it. I don't know. And suddenly I saw a sign when I was already on that highway. What do you do once you're on the toll road? I told you before, I backed out at this bridge, this toll street, and I could escape the toll road. But yesterday there was no escape. I was onto the highway. You can't make a U-turn, obviously, and every exit would have a toll. But I did another mistake then. So what could I have done? I could stop and hide my license plate with some paper or something. I went through the first toll. Just $1.24 only. And then I saw a sign, 3 more exits, there is the toll service center. So I thought, okay, let's go to the toll service center and try to pay it there. So I will not get the bill. On the way to the toll service center, I passed 2 more tolls. So I should have taken the exit. And then get another way to a toll center or something else. So in total I passed 3 tolls. The other toll is 50 cents. So in total it's accumulated $2.24. But the rental car company is gonna charge me unbelievable $15 for each toll I pass. It's like 50 cents, but they charge me $15 extra administration fee. Well, that's I don't know what to think about this. Here is the clause. That's the clause, tolls. It charges, really, it does charge. You will not believe it. If you opted out, really, you will be charged an additional $15 administration for each time you access the such toll road. Unbelievable. So what I did, I went to the service center, but unfortunately the service center was closed already because it was after 7 p.m. and today is the 4th of July, they don't open. Hotline, they say on holiday, nobody replied. So I've been to the Shell station next to this store, and I told them my situation. What can I do? I don't want to pay $45 administration fee for the $2.24 toll road, because it's not believable. She told me, you buy this stupid Sun Pass. It's only $5. And there were taxes on it, $5.34. And maybe if you're lucky, they will deduct it because it's on the same day. Alright, so I bought this thing, and they had a machine. In fact, she was checking if the machine was working, and it was fine. So I tried to register my license plate, but this stupid machine did not want to take my address. I tried so many times. First of all, they first want your money, of course. So besides this $5 thing, I had to top up $10. So $15 in total. And then to figure out that they will not accept my address. So I tried many addresses on my Airbnb apartments, but they didn't accept it as a machine. I don't know why. So I gave up and went home. So maybe I'm gonna pay $15 plus the $45, $60 extra. It would be crazy for $2.20. It drives me insane. I was so upset yesterday. I also missed the gym because of this. You want to save time with toll. You have so much trouble. Just $2 toll, so much trouble. It's unbelievable. I'm still so upset. Let's see what happens. I still didn't get the bill from the rental car company, if they send one, and probably they will. So today I finally managed to sign up this, but it's a day later, so it might not working. I might not deducting it. I also sent an email to the customer support telling them that they should deduct it from my plate. From the computer yesterday, the website was down. Sometimes website was down, doesn't work. So today it worked eventually, and it's so much headache just for this stupid toll. Anyway, I signed up. So if I'm lucky, I only have to pay $15 extra. If I'm unlucky, I'm going to pay $60 extra to the toll. $2.24. I mean, I've been driving on toll roads in many countries. In Australia, they would add $1.50 for each toll. Yeah, in Australia. And then in Europe, you buy stickers. It's a very different system. It's much easier. Yeah? So the rental car don't even care about it. But you can pay cash, or you can buy some stickers and stuff, so you will not run into trouble with those toll roads. But here, this is real trouble. Actually, you don't even need this thing. They would bill you to your address, but because I don't have address, they would bill the rental car company, and this rental car company gonna fuck me. So that's the situation here in the United States. It's the worst toll system in the world. I mean, I was in Portugal, there toll, Spain, France, Italy, Czech, Croatia, and I never experienced anything like that. Slovenia, Austria, Switzerland, it's really worse. Well, I would say Switzerland is also horrible, because you can only buy a yearly sticker for like $50. If you just pass through Switzerland, you pay $50. The yearly sticker is also stupid. But anyway, I would still think the US is worse. I want to make a video just about rental cars and experiences, because I had also like other things happening. But yeah, I'm really upset about this, and let's see what's the outcome of this. So worst case, $60, which could be really easily avoidable. I'm also very angry at myself, because I was too lazy to stop at some McDonald's and then use the internet, not navigate to make sure there is no toll road. So first mistake. Second mistake, I drove through the toll center, which I should have taken the first exit, and then I wouldn't even care about this toll center, because it would be only $15 extra, and now we're at $60. It's still crazy. Yeah, this rental company. By the way, my rental company is $1.50. Yeah, so I don't rent cars at $1.50. This is really bad. But in fact, all rental car companies are quite bad, especially the big ones. The small ones are usually better. The big ones, you think you're safe with the big ones? They are trying to cheat you much more, because they are professionals at cheating. So be careful. So I never made any bad experiences with small companies, but I made bad experiences with big companies. Many. I made Avis Budget. They try to cheat you. Now $50. It's not cheating, but it's like very unfair regulation. You know, like this. And Avis was trying to cheat, in fact. Yeah, because they're trying to overcharge. And Sixt charged me €150 for a tiny scratch. Since then, I always get opt-in full insurance. So it's really headache. I mean, rental cars are great to get around, but it can be really headache. Like here, yeah. But this one, yeah, I would blame a little bit the Florida toll road and a little bit the rental cars. So both are at fault. Anyway, I talk way too much. It's the 4th of July. I have to go out and enjoy the day. It's my last day in the US. Tomorrow I fly to Jamaica. Oh, I just found a very nice view tower here. It would be nice to see the fireworks from here, but unfortunately it will be closed after 7:30. Still nice to observe at this time. We even have an elevator. I mean, I would climb the stairs, but I don't want to sweat too much. Yeah. Lots of police here on the 4th of July. Blocking the road, causing a traffic jam. So many people are missing. That's actually really scary. You don't have this in other countries. That makes me feel unsafe. But here in Walmart, it's very safe though. So this is the Fort Lauderdale beach. Looks very much like South Miami. Pretty crowded today. only 1 hour left until the firework begins, but it's still quite bright here at the beach. And it's not too clean, in fact. I think Venice Beach was a little bit better. And also South Miami Beach was nicer. But it's still nice here. And I can't wait for the firework to start. Dude, this guy just came from the sky and wanted to catch a fish. Catch a fish. Ooh. Bams. So the firework already started here. You can see it at the beach. This is Miami. It's a little bit far away. And there's the other side. Fireworks on the entire beach. So, happy 4th of July. It's way too bright here. Yeah, 4th of July is like New Year's Eve. Fireworks everywhere. Another hand luggage challenge. Sitting here at the airport for my flight to Jamaica.
Attention, the terminal service at gate 10 to Puerto